Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to set item specifics via M2E Pro to improve search experiences on eBay for your customers. In our previous video we've described what eBay categories are and how you can manage them via advanced system in M2E Pro, so if you haven't seen it yet, we recommend you to do it beforehand. So what are eBay item specifics? They are details such as brand, size and color which sellers provide to make it easy for buyers to find items in eBay catalog. When starting managing eBay specifics, there is one important thing you need to do. Check your revised settings in your sync policy to ensure that module automatically revises categories and specifics on eBay. First of all, you can set item specifics on the Category Assigns tab when adding products to M2E Pro listing. In the pop-up, you will need to set the required category and then you can set item specifics. If the category is already presented in your M2E Pro, you will see a default specifics set for it. You can either edit it or save it as it is. In the specifics grid, you will see a list with mandatory eBay specifics as well as specifics which are optional to fill. To set a specifics, first you need to choose a mode. By selecting eBay recommended and custom value mode, the value you choose for this specific is static and will be applied to all products assigned to the category. Or you can choose custom attribute mode so that the value could be taken from a relevant Magento product. Values for specifics will be taken only from the parent product except for the variational specifics. For example, you have a variational product with color, size and brand item specifics. If variations for this product differ only by color and size, then the specifics of brand will be taken from parent product, but color and size will be taken from child products. Click Add Specifics if you need to set additional item specifics. After you finish settings, save the changes. If you choose to edit the default specific set, it will be changed to custom set for this particular product. If there is a need, you can reset customized specifics to default in a few clicks. M2E Pro also allows you to customize item specifics for individual products. You can do it via Settings View mode in M2E Pro listing after you assign eBay category. After you customize the default item specific set, click Save. You can also continue managing and editing item specifics in the Category tab. On this page you will find all the categories assigned to the listing products. Click View in front of the needed category and you'll see a default item specific set. You can change specifics or add new ones. All changes you have made will be automatically applied to all M2E Pro listings where this category and default specific set are used. For your convenience, you can manage product categories in bulk. You can select needed products, then use the Actions menu at the very top of the grid. If you want to make changes to products with custom specific set, you can use the filter to easily find these products. Thank you for watching. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out other videos on how to make the most out of M2E Pro functionality.